Okay you guys, so this video I'm gonna be showing you guys my makeup kit and everything that I have inside. So yeah. So starting off, I have sunscreen. Then I have this brand called Makeup by Yolando setting powder. And then I have makeup brushes. I don't know where I got these from. I don't know if they are Makeup by Yolando. I don't remember. I can't remember. But I'll try to link everything down below. And I'm going to be showing you guys all of my makeup brushes. So these are all my makeup brushes right here. And I have beauty blenders. I need new ones though. Let's see. I have, it says, what is this brand? I have a concealer. This is a concealer. I haven't used this in a minute though, but it's pretty good actually. This is what it looks like inside. And okay, so starting off, I have these lashes that I still haven't used, and I've had this for like a good almost 7-8 years, and I still haven't used these because I don't know how to put them on. And then I have NYC Professional Makeup eyeshadow palettes, mini ones. Yeah. And then I have a whole bunch of glitters. I believe you can get this stuff from like the drugstores like CVS, your local Walgreens, Target, Marshalls, TJ Maxx. Yeah, you can get these there too. But I got these as a gift for Christmas. So I'm gonna be showing you guys probably name brand eyeshadow palettes that I own. So here's one that says the Nude by Maybelline. And then inside, these are the colors, neutral colors, which is, I love wearing neutral. If I could wear neutral, that'll be like my everyday makeup look. And let's see, I kind of don't want to shake everything else out. What the heck is on my lip? Okay, I have this brand called Ken Color. And it's kind of cute. It looks like a summery, it's giving LA, it's giving California. So here, don't come for me, but I have these eyeshadow palettes, and I don't know, maybe they're looking like that because they either need water or because I haven't been using them too much. But I really don't want these palettes to go to waste, guys. Like, I'm kind of really trying to do different makeup looks now. So, yeah. Next, I have Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I don't know if this is a part of Jackie's collab. I don't know. I don't think so. I can't remember, but yeah, Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I do use this palette because I like darker colors. And yeah, the collection is really good. Like, if you ever use Anastasia, it's really good. I would recommend. Let's see here. I have a Modern Renaissance palette, and it's also by Anastasia Beverly Hills, California. And I have more makeup palettes. I play in these a lot. Like, I love dark shaded colors on me because it brings me out. And next I have Kim Kardashian KKW Beauty. I think I want to say this is probably my only Kim Kardashian palette, I believe. So her palette is actually pretty cute. I love these. These work pretty well, which is, I forgot about these. I should have used this on my face today. But yeah, Kim Kardashian. Then I have Too Faced palette, chocolate bar. And the inside, guys, it still smells like chocolate, like Willy Wonka chocolate factory, like it smells really good still. So yeah. Next I have a nude eyeshadow palette. It's by the Color Workshop. And let's see. This is what the colors look like. And I also have the Color Workshop. It's called Hue eyeshadow palette. And these are like brighter colors, which is kind of different. So yeah, like all of my palettes, I have like bright color eyeshadow, dark colors, nude, anything you can really think of. And last but not least, I have my Kylie Jenner Sippin' Pretty pressed powder palette. And on the back it kind of shows you like all of the names of her palettes, and it says made in USA. And yeah, this is my Kylie Jenner palette, Sitting Pretty. These are so pretty. I love these colors. Oh, you guys, I totally forgot to show you guys, I have Nude by Yolando. It's called the Church Girl eyeshadow palette, and it's really, really good. Like, her palettes are pretty good. These are nude. They're really cute. Like, I would wear this on a daily as well. I'm gonna show you guys like what's in my mini pouches. Yeah, so 1 second. A whole bunch of lip glosses, concealers, lipsticks, eyeshadow mini palette, eyeliners, mascaras, more lipsticks, more eyeliners, Clinique powder, and eyeshadow base by Makeup by Yolando. And I have this for lashes, which is I never use. Lash applicator. What is this? This is a mini mascara. And I have a lip balm, or a tinted lip balm. And then I have Fit Me powder, which is like what I would use. Sometimes I mix it. Sometimes I use Clinique. Sometimes I use Fit Me. I have this as a color corrector. More eyeliners. And I have lip scrub. And I have brow gel. In the color dark brown, as I said before, so. Next I have eyeshadow, base by Makeup by Yolando as well, and more lip gloss. And also I have this tool for your eyelashes. I never use it because I don't wear eyelashes. And nail glue. So yeah, hold on guys, let me show you. Okay, so next I have Makeup by Yolando setting powder, and then I have some more Clinique concealers mixed with foundation. Sometimes I use this as like all-in-one, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I just use it as like a simple like concealer for like my under my brows and on my face. I have this Frankie Rose. Actually, Frankie Rose is pretty good. But I wouldn't use this unless I'm going out to like dinner, because the formula is pretty good. So I have, then again, just some more mascaras. Guys, I need new makeup, believe it or not. I've had these for like a couple months now. So your girl needs to update on her makeup. I have Fit Me, another Fit Me, Dewy Smooth, Normal to Dry, Fit Me, and then another concealer. And yeah, here's another Fit Me, Poreless, Matte Poreless. And also, last but not least, I have this. It says All Nighter MD foundation. It says waterproof, long wearing liquid foundation, matte. Yeah, I don't know what MD stands for. I thought it was Anastasia from years ago, but I don't know. I'm just gonna see if I could find this type of foundation and link it down below. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching, liking, and subscribing to my channel, and click that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a video. So bye guys. So yeah guys, that was it for my makeup palette collection. Like I said, I'll try to link everything down below if I remember where I got them from, and if they're still in stock or if anyone's still buying them. I believe you guys can get this at your local Macy's, Target, Ross. Mainly, I would say the majority of them were drugstores, so I would say like your CVS, your Walgreens, Target. Like the name brands, like Kylie Jenner and KKW Beauty is online. And yeah, but thank you guys for watching.